What's new in the latest Android 17 QPR1 Beta 3 program? If you already update your Pixel device, please check out the below given changes and bug fixes. To check for the update, go to Settings. Tap System. Tap Software Updates. Tap System Update. Download and install Update to your Google Pixel device. Let's see 5 changes in Android 17 QPR1 Beta 3 update on Pixel devices. 1. New Quick Settings animation change to bounce effect. 2. New animation when launching the camera from lock screen with power button double tap. 3. Screen recording defaults display last used apps list. You can see all previous opened apps list to your Pixel device. 4. Media player gets card-based UI with multiple apps. 5. More system blur, like volume panel, power menu, etc. And that's all about what's new in Android 17 QPR1 Beta 3 update to your Pixel device.